Hello everyone, Joseph is here. In this video it's gonna be very quick, I promise. I'm gonna just show a couple of really basic stuff you would be able to do at home or even on the job when you are needed. So basically I'm gonna make two lances for myself for the water bowser. And one of them is a twin lance and the other one is this roll lance. If you roll it over, it shuts one end and opens the other end completely, very quickly. Basically, with these two lances, I'm gonna be able to do any job. What I'm gonna show just very quick, how to remove a nozzle and how to fix it over there. And on that way, you're gonna learn something, because sometimes you can get blocked nozzle, yeah, and you need to clean it on the job. So basically it's very easy to remove and you don't have to do anything really special with these. That easy thing. Try to put on the way so you can see it. So basically you just remove the nozzle. And let's say it's get blocked, yeah, on the job. You get a pin, push it through, and that's it. Put it back and it's all clean and nice. So what I'm gonna do here, clean this one, clean the threads out nicely before I fix the turbo nozzle for this one. I'm gonna explain why am I doing on this way, and you're gonna see it, how good is it, because with only two lances you can get done any job, because the two lances gonna have 4 different nozzles, yeah. So this one is prefixed, goes in nice. All we need, just a little PTF tape, Teflon tape, yeah. So basically just a, let's say normally I go around like 5-6 times, so you don't have to overkill this one, yeah. Nice and easy. You just follow the thread when you go around, yeah, and on that way it stays in place even better. For those who are unsure, you can get some thread lock as well, and you can put a little thread lock on it. There is people who get upset about it when somebody is mixing the PTF tape and the thread lock, yeah. But hey ho, if you really want to be sure, that's the way, yeah. Nice and easy. Fix it in. I'm not even gonna force with anything else. And I can promise you, even just with hand, right, the plastic started to roll around. Even like this, it's never gonna leak. It's that easy. Okay? So that's one lance is done. Let's do the other lance, yeah? It already has the soaping nozzle, yeah? And this one has a soaping nozzle as well, yeah? Just put this one back. Clean the thread first. This is a 25-degree nozzle, okay? For my water bowser it's 080, because it's 26 liter a minute at 200 bar. Just a couple of rounds again. Nice and easy. Just following the thread again. Put it in. Get the wrench. Tighten. Just trying to do not gonna go more. I just want to align on the way. I love it. Okay, it's all done. I like really when it's cross for each other, yeah. Okay, so what's the point with this, yeah? Let's say I use the turbo all around, yeah. Turbo. I need to rinse down a bit on the surface. I just open the valve, yeah. So I open up the rinse nozzle and quickly rinse it down while I'm working with the turbo. Then just carry on with the turbo. I don't have to change nozzles, I don't have to waste time or anything. Then when the turbo is done, basically, you want to wash off with this one, yeah? So basically, you're washing, you again need to rinse down something. You just turn the nozzle with a big twist, yeah? Close this one and open this one. And you can rinse it off. It's that easy. That easy and very quick, very efficient to work on this way, yeah? So that was for today, a little basic. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you learn about it. If you follow this technique, your work gonna be more quick, yeah?